Welcome to the Ultimate Dynamics 365 journey. In this non-techie guide, we are unlocking the full power of your ecosystem. Forget complex coding. We are connecting all your isolated islands of information into a unified, connected hub. We will seamlessly marry Dynamics with Office 365, allowing you to track emails effortlessly right from Outlook. You'll enable real-time collaboration with smart documents, leverage external data securely without storing it centrally, and unleash advanced AI insights to make customer conversations meaningful. From deploying simple configurations to maximizing the monumental advantage of LinkedIn Sales Navigator, this course empowers you. Let's work smarter and master the ecosystem. Watch the whole course to begin your journey. In today's interconnected world, no business should be an island. As we see here in Quadrant 1, your vital communication and documents like email, SharePoint, OneDrive, and even LinkedIn often live on their own separate, isolated islands. This is where the magic of Dynamics 365 comes in. Instead of expensive, complex custom coding, Microsoft has built smooth, configurable bridges. These ready-to-use plugins connect all those separate sources directly to your central Dynamics 365 hub, creating a unified and vastly more efficient workspace. Quadrant 2 shows how we start with the undisputed champion, email. It's not about coding, it's about simple configuration. In advanced settings, you navigate to the dedicated dashboard to set the global rules, seamlessly marrying Dynamics 365 and Office 365. For older setups, a pro tip migration path is right there. As Quadrant 3 highlights, you manage this connection using a passport or email server profile. You configure these specific credentials for various servers, selecting the synchronization method for everything from individual user mailboxes to contacts and tasks. Finally, Quadrant 4 shows the crucial step, validation. When a mailbox is approved, you click to test and enable mailbox. The system asynchronously runs validation, giving you clear status icons for success or error. To keep your finger on the pulse, administrators have a powerful server-side sync performance dashboard for active monitoring of statuses, errors, and overall health. Let's get connected. Welcome to your Dynamics 365 hub, right inside your Outlook inbox. For everyday users, this means a total shift from the old disconnected way of working. Look at Quadrant 1. Normally, understanding a client means minimizing Outlook, opening Dynamics, searching for the record, and navigating away. That is a massive productivity drain. But with the App Way highlighted, a powerful side panel is presented directly inside your inbox. It gives you a contextual view of related data, unlocking key benefits in Quadrant 2. You can access data instantly, seeing activities and opportunities, link email threads effortlessly to existing records, or convert incoming inquiries into new leads or contacts with a single click. Even deployment is simple. Quadrant 3 shows that administrators can use a simple wizard to push the app, checking the automatically add to Outlook box for eligible users. Finally, in Quadrant 4, you're empowered. Once a security role has the privilege enabled, you simply enjoy the view from the ellipsis menu, getting instant insight into interactions without ever leaving your inbox. Let's work smarter. Welcome to your guide for smart document management. Historically, managing business documents has been a massive challenge. As we see in Quadrant 1, storing files in the standard Dynamics 365 Notes field is a broken solution. Searchability is zero, you lack version control, you face database bloat and high costs, and there is no real collaboration. It's the antithesis of modern real-time teamwork. That is exactly why we integrate the enterprise-grade giant, SharePoint. Integrating Dynamics 365 and SharePoint is the powerful, logical next step. It unloads files from your central Dynamics database, leading to a clean database and lower costs, while enabling real-time, multi-user collaboration and full version tracking. This integration uses automated folder structures based on entities, like a Fabricam account, with unique IDs for perfect referencing. We can also add personal storage with OneDrive for Business, which is excellent for work in progress, like personal drafts. Files there default to private until you are ready to share them with the team on SharePoint. A simple checkbox and location dropdown make switching between them or viewing all document sources effortless. Finally, we must integrate OneNote for flexible, free-form notes during customer interactions. Just select the entities you want to use, and OneNote notebooks are created and perfectly tracked against your specific record. Let's get smart about documents. Welcome to your guide on virtual entities, the look but don't touch solution for external data. Imagine your crucial customer information, massive unmigrated order history, or highly sensitive inventory levels are trapped in separate external systems, perhaps older legacy environments. You need to leverage this data, but for security or cost reasons, you cannot feasibly migrate or duplicate it all centrally in Dynamics 365. Here is where the magic of virtual entities, introduced in version 9, steps in. They are smooth, configurable bridges that unleash this external information directly within your unified workspace. Data is pulled on the fly from the external source. It is read-only and never stored centrally in Dynamics. This simple configuration unleashes external data, allowing your application to leverage powerful outside platforms from directly within its interface. Setting it up is simple. First, define your data source. You navigate to Advanced Settings and create a new data source record, which is like a passport containing the crucial URL to the external system's OData v4 endpoint. You must also configure the virtual entity, giving it unique external names for mapping. Crucially, you must select the previously defined data source. When done, you can unleash the data, include it in custom views, add to dashboards, or use it in advanced searches. The data appears exactly like regular records to users. Let's work smarter. Welcome to your guide for smart sales tools. We are unlocking the monumental advantage of AI Insights and LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Quadrant 1 reveals your free AI superpowers, the Clever Assistant, which generates contextual action cards and timely reminders. Auto Capture, which queries Exchange email and surfaces untracked messages right on the profile. No alternating apps needed. And Email Engagement, which tracks recipient interactions for the best delivery times. Let's make customer conversations meaningful. Quadrant 2 focuses on advanced features requiring a premium subscription. This includes building actionable insight cards, relationship analytics, and predictive scoring models for leads and opportunities. We enable this under Advanced Settings with a major note to consider external data compliance. In Quadrant 3, the dedicated Sales Insights app centralizes this intelligence, allowing insights to answer business questions using natural language. For managers, the team overview digs into sentiment. For sellers, personal analysis of conversation style is key. Finally, Quadrant 4 integrates LinkedIn Sales Navigator, a true monumental advantage. Administrators enable this via an initial configuration in Business Management, synchronizing photos. Users enjoy specialized lead and account controls on forms. Lead controls present the top card and news. Account controls show company news and recommended leads. Users bind a matching field to add these controls. The entire setup provides rich, modern insight into customer interactions, all without leaving your Dynamics record. Let's get smarter about sales. We've moved from designing the internal engine to unlocking powerful, ready-to-use plugins. No business is an island, and our goal was to connect all your separate info, like email, SharePoint, OneDrive, and even LinkedIn, into a unified hub without complex custom coding. We mastered the core by seamlessly marrying Dynamics with Office 365, enabling intelligent email synchronization. The Outlook app then surfaces this data directly in your inbox, allowing you to track emails and convert leads without switching screens. For document management, we integrated SharePoint, OneDrive, and OneNote to enable real-time teamwork while keeping costs down. We even leveraged external systems, legacy or sensitive data, with virtual entities to view data on the fly without storing it. Finally, we deployed smart sales tools, combining AI Insights and LinkedIn to provide meaningful customer context right on your record. Publishing your changes truly connects the whole ecosystem. Congratulations on your journey.